In this video, I will share how this smart person made $2.9 million 100% free using the tactic I'm going to share with you right here, right now. And any beginner, including you, from any experience level and from anywhere in the world can do it. You don't need technical knowledge, no need experience, no need website, no need hosting server, no need mailing list, no need social following. You'll start making money from ground zero, even if you are complete broke. You need my artificial intelligence software. Links are in the description. That will take 99% of the workload, and it will allow you to make money starting today using 3 minutes of your time. Before we begin, our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. And we can no way hit this goal without your help. We need your help. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everybody you know that need to learn how to make money online. We will love you, we will share our content with you, and we will share our softwares with you. And they will love you because you share awesome content with them. They will become your fans, your followers, and eventually they will become your first customers or clients. Sounds good? Go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. Sounds good? Awesome. And you can get paid using PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and crypto or digital currency. If your income is low, credit score is low, but debt is going high, and the prices, the costs of life, food, gas, rent, and mortgages are going high, then chances are you are being paid by a limited number of people or limited number of companies. Let's say the company you're working for, or maybe the company you own. If you could get more people, like thousands of people, just like us, look at this. 154,168 people paid us $2.80 each. That made us around $500,000. And this person got 153,355 people paying him or paying them $18.99 each. That made them total $2.9 million. Sounds logical? It's simply more people paying you money. Why would people pay you money? Because you will give them something that they are looking for. And I'm gonna share step by step how you can do it starting today. So this person uses a platform or a website called Udemy. Udemy has 97.3 million customers. I'm specifically saying customers because the visitors of this website knows that this website sells tiny videos, bundle of videos as online courses. So the people who visit this website are buyers. They're ready to buy. So we can consider these 97 million customers are already there on Udemy. They're looking to buy different kind of courses on different topics. 63% people are already there on Udemy, and 20% people come from social search engine like Google. Why Google, and why do you think Google support them? So when someone get access to a course and go through the course modules or the videos they made, they spend a lot of time on this website, and Google takes this as a positive sign that this website is important. So they rank these courses on top of Google, and this way a lot of customers come from Google. So basically, if your videos are on Udemy, then you will get customers from Udemy and from Google. Make sense? Videos, Mosh. First of all, I don't know what to make videos about. And secondly, I hate videos because I hate cameras. I hate microphones. I don't know how to talk. I don't know what to say. Is that what you're saying? Your problem is solved 100%. The solution is Epic. Link is in the description. Epic allows you to make videos without using camera. Simply use links, text, images of other people. With Epic, you don't need to speak or record using microphone because Epic creates voiceover, natural voiceover from text. Mosh, I don't have text. I don't know what to write. I don't know what is script or content. I hate writing, typing. I hate articles, scripting. Don't worry about it. Your problem is solved. Epic has built-in artificial intelligence that generates text, unique text, highest quality scripts for your videos. Mosh, I don't have time to make videos no matter how good the software is. Is that what you're saying? Don't worry about it because YouTube is now promoting 1 minute or less long videos. They call it short. It's because TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels made it so popular. YouTube wants their piece of the pie too. So if you make short videos using Epic artificial intelligence text to voice feature, and you make videos, informative videos that people are looking for, then YouTube will send you visitors to your videos. And in your video, you should tell your customers, hey, or viewers, hey, there is a link in the description, or there is a link in the first comment. Go grab a better deal, or grab a better software, or solve your problem, and they will buy from you. This is exactly what we do in order to make money. Literally $500,000 from one account. And this is exactly what they are doing right here on Udemy. So then let me show you a niche or an industry or a topic that you can start using today. And the topic is graphic design. Mosh, I have no idea what graphic design is. Is that what you're saying? Don't worry, because you don't really need to learn what is graphic design. In fact, if you want to learn and you use Udemy or YouTube videos, use the regular softwares, or even use Skillshare and learn graphic design, I will be the first person who will appreciate you, because skills will always take you up in terms of your position in the world and in terms of money. So step by step, learn one by one video at a time, one topic at a time, and practice. And while you learn and practice, record those steps in the form of videos and publish them on YouTube. Look at my phone here. I searched on YouTube using graphic design keyword, and I came to the shorts feed, and look at the number of views in the short videos. Do you see that? If you can't see, let me read it for you. The first one I see here, 292,000 views. The second one, 62,000 views. The third one, 7.2 thousand views. Fourth one, 374,000 views, and so on. You'll find millions of views. All these views are visitors, the same visitors we have right here, and the same visitors they have right here, the student. You got the point? Make videos about graphic design or any other topic that is hot, people are looking for. On YouTube, there are 4.75 million people looking for graphic design related topics. Go grab them and sell any offer you have. Affiliate offer, your own offer. You have a course on Udemy, sell that and make money. Let's consider you don't have the technical knowledge and you don't have interest to learn graphic design. No worries about it. Do some research and put your researches on Epic software and make tiny videos about the information you learn. Upload those videos as shorts, get all the traffic, make sales and make money. As you are making the videos, bundle them together and upload them on Udemy as bundle of videos or a course. Offer them for free. All the Udemy customers are customers. They will go through your course, they will love you and give you high rating. Then Udemy and Google will notice about your course. They will send more and more customers. At that time you start charging money. $11, $14, $18 you want. Or some people are even selling up to $300 or even more. Go ahead. Charge money for what you're worth. This guy is making money. Hundreds of people are making money on Udemy. We are making money. A lot of other people are making money. You can do it too. Grab my software, Epic. Link is in the description. Make short videos, publish them on Udemy, YouTube, get free views from YouTube, send them to your course or send them to your affiliate link and make simple money. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite. It is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. Everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. This way, they will become your fans, your followers, and eventually your first customers and clients. And you will become a part of our noble mission of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years. Go ahead, hit like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.